God is using N2NCU Christian University to not only train Christian workers in biblical studies and community development, but He is using N2NCU to bring people to salvation. We received a note from Jean Manani who shares with us how N2NCU Christian University led his wife to Jesus. He had been praying for his wife to get saved. He tried all he could to bring her to salvation. As time went on, he started to grow impatient at the hardening of her heart toward God and the gospel. Attending N2NCU Christian University, Jean was introduced to the course Marriage in the Family, where he learned about the man's responsibilities in the home. With open eyes, Jean put his new knowledge to practice at home. He tells us, "My wife saw a change in my character as I continually attended N2NCU. Ultimately, it was Jean's commitment to live his life as a godly husband that brought his wife to Jesus. She is now born again, and together they attend N2NCU. She has been learning a lot about God in the Bible, and Jean has been learning a lot from her. Jean's passion extends beyond his home, as he teaches marriage in the family in his community. He tells us, it has had an impact in the way men are treating their wives. Now, women are being treated with love and respect everywhere I have taught this course." Jean's story shows us that God is moving through our students, bringing people into a relationship with Him.